Hello and welcome to the channel Engineering Talk. Today I am going to talk about the placement and its comparison of all new IITs. In general, it is seen that the placement record of older IITs are easily available on the internet and some other sources. But in case of new IITs, no, it is not easily available. And even if you are able to find the placement record of 1-2 new IITs, you will not find the placement record of all new IITs at one place and compare and make a better choice for you. I tried my best and collected the information about placement record from internet and some another sources like my friends of different IITs and put it together and compare it so that you can make a better choice for your college. So guys, stuck to the video till last. It will definitely help you for making a better choice apart from the PPT which I will be using in this video. And if you have any query regarding the engineering, you can post your doubt in the comment section. I will find pleasure to resolve your doubt. So now let's start.
Now let's start with my own college, IIT Ropar. You can see here its NRF ranking is 25. Now talking about branch-wise placement for CSE, 37 students were appeared for the placement. Among them, 34 were placed and its placement record is 92%. You can also see here its average package is 18 lakh per annum. Similarly, for electrical and mechanical, 27 and 25 students appeared for the placement. Among them, 23 and 16 were placed, and their placement record is 86 and 64% respectively. You can also see here average package. It is about 13 lakh for electrical and 9 lakh for mechanical. एक चीज आपने notice किया होगा कि the number of students appeared for the placement is very less. It is because ये नया IITs है, तो इसमें जो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है इन ईच ब्रांच वो काफी कम थे, बट इन रिसेंट ईयर जो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है वो इंक्रीज हुआ है एंड इट हैज बिकम नाउ 70 to 80 स्टूडेंट्स इन ईच ब्रांच. सो आपको 1-2 साल में इवन फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट ईयर जो प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड है उसमें जो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर्ड होंगे वो काफी ज्यादा दिखने वाले हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर आल्सो ब्रांचेस लाइक सिविल, केमिकल, मेटलर्जी, मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटिंग इन IIT रोपड़. So इनके प्लेसमेंट अभी तक नहीं हुए हैं. So you will not find their placement record in public domain या internet because these branches are started after 2015, like 2017-18 में start हुए. So इनके first batch का ही अभी तक placement नहीं हुआ. So अगर and also अगर हुए भी हैं तो 1-2 batches के placement हुए हैं जो अभी तक public domain में नहीं आए हैं. So you will not find their placement record anywhere. Now talking about overall placement of IIT Ropar, so 87 students were appeared for the placement. Among them, 73 were placed, and its placement record is 84%. You can also see here its average package is 15.86 lakh, and it is a decent enough amount if you are considering IIT Ropar on the basis of placement. And at the last, a student of IIT Ropar has grabbed the highest package of 14 lakh per annum. Now moving ahead with one of the best and new IIT, that is IIT Hyderabad. You can clearly see its NRF ranking is 8, which is far more better than older IITs like BHU and Guwahati. And its average package is also telling all the truth that it has become one of the most and fastest growing IITs of our country. Now talking about placement record of each branch for CSE, 66 students were placed and their average package is 26.64 lakh. For electrical, 66 were placed and 23 lakh is the average package. For mechanical, 37 were placed and 15.8 lakh is their average package. Similarly, you can see the average package of branches like civil, chemical and metallurgy. It is around 13.7 lakh, 15.52 lakh, 20.1 lakh. So from this you can infer that even the average package of their branches like civil, chemical, metallurgy is far more higher than the average package of electrical and mechanical of some other new IIT. So it is one of the best new IITs. If you are getting any branch here, you can consider it. And also its overall placement is very good. Almost 80% of the students appeared for the placement has been placed, and its average package is around 22 lakh per annum and highest is 16 lakh per annum. देखो आईआईटी हैदराबाद का प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड हाई होने का रीजन है ड्यू टू इट्स ज्योग्राफी। आईआईटी हैदराबाद बेंगलोर ये सबसे नजदीक है, सो वहां पे कंपनी का हब है। सीएस आईटी एंड आल्सो फाइनेंस रिलेटेड कंपनीज काफी ज्यादा है, सो इनके प्लेसमेंट में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है। दे हैव आल्सो कोलैबोरेशन विद कंपनी फॉर देयर प्रोजेक्ट, जो कि उनके अल्टीमेटली प्लेसमेंट में हेल्प करती है। सो इनका प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड काफी अच्छा है इन कंपैरिजन टू द अदर आईआईटीज, इवन ओल्डर आईआईटीज के भी कंपैरिजन में इसका प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड काफी ज्यादा। एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस आईआईटी इज आल्सो वेरी गुड। नाउ थर्ड पे बात करूं तो आईआईटी पटना एंड इट्स एनआरएफ रैंकिंग इज 26। और एक चीज मैं क्लियर कर दूं कि मैं जो भी यहाँ प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड बता रहा हूँ, लाइक फर्स्ट आईआईटी रोपड़ बता, देन आईआईटी हैदराबाद, देन आईआईटी पटना, वो रैंडम ऑर्डर है, वो कोई फिक्स ऑर्डर नहीं है कि आईआईटी रोपड़ का हाईएस्ट है, देन आईआईटी हैदराबाद, देन आईआईटी पटना। मैं प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड ऑल न्यू आईआईटीज का बताऊंगा और वहां से आप कंपेयर कर लेना कि हाईएस्ट पे कौन है, देन सेकंड, देन थर्ड, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू इट आप चॉइस कर सकते हो कि आपको कौन से कॉलेज में जाना है। नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेसमेंट ऑफ ईच ब्रांच ऑफ आईआईटी पटना, so starting with CSC 45 students were appeared for the placement and all of them were placed and their average package is around 17 lakh. For electrical 34 students were appeared, among them 31 were placed and its average package is 12 lakh per annum. Similarly for mechanical, civil and chemical 28 5 12 students were appeared for the placement, among them 26 5 10 were placed and their average package is around 8.5 8.82 and 9.94 lakh per annum. Now talking about overall placement of IIT Patna, so 143 students were placed and its placement record is 95%. This means that 95% of the students who appeared in the placement got the place and their average package is 14.76 lakh per annum. So it is also a decent enough amount. एंड वन थिंग आपने ये नोटिस किया होगा कि ऑल आईआईटीज में प्लेसमेंट सेम ऑर्डर फॉलो कर रही है, लाइक इट इज हाईएस्ट फॉर सीएससी, देन इलेक्ट्रिकल, देन मैकेनिकल, देन सिविल केमिकल। सो ये तो हायरार्की फॉलो ही हो गई। इट इज बिकॉज द डिमांड फॉर सीएससी इन द मार्केट इज वेरी हाई and then electrical, then mechanical, and also the highest package of IIT Patna is around 59 lakh per annum. Next is IIT Bhubaneswar. You can see here its NRF ranking is 22. And now talking about branch-wise placement, for CSE 97% students were placed, and for electrical 100% students were placed. For EC 97%, mechanical 80, metallurgy 57, and for civil 62% students were placed who are appeared for the placement. इनका एवरेज पैकेज फॉर ईच ब्रांच इंटरनेट पे मेरे को नहीं मिला, बट मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक जनरल रूल बता सकता हूँ जिसे आप एवरेज पैकेज निकाल सकते हो एंड वो ज्यादा डिफरेंट नहीं होगा जो एक्चुअल एवरेज पैकेज होगा। यू कैन सी हियर द ओवरऑल एवरेज पैकेज ऑफ आईआईटी भुवनेश्वर इज 15.8 लाख। सो जनरल रूल ये है कि सीएससी का जो एवरेज पैकेज है वो ओवरऑल एवरेज पैकेज से 2 to 3 लाख ज्यादा होगा, एंड फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल सीएससी से 5 to 6 लाख कम होगा। यानी सीएससी का एवरेज पैकेज यहाँ पे 18 लाख के अराउंड होगा एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल 5 to 6 लाख लेस देन सीएससी यानी 12 लाख के अराउंड होगा। एंड फॉर ईसी यू कैन कंसीडर इट इक्वल टू इलेक्ट्रिकल। मैकेनिकल का एवरेज पैकेज इलेक्ट्रिकल से अराउंड 2 लाख कम होगा एंड देन सिविल, केमिकल एंड मेटलर्जी का 2 लाख लेस देन मैकेनिकल होगा। सो वहां पे आप एवरेज पैकेज का आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि आईआईटी भुवनेश्वर के ईच ब्रांच का एवरेज पैकेज क्या होगा। एंड रफली मैं बता दूं उस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग सीएससी के लिए 18 लाख, इलेक्ट्रिकल के लिए 12 लाख, ईसी के लिए 12 लाख, मैकेनिकल के लिए 9 to 10 लाख, मेटलर्जी सिविल के लिए 7 to 8 लाख के अराउंड। And the overall placement record of IIT Bhubaneswar is 87% and highest package grabbed by the IIT Bhubaneswar student is 44 lakh per annum. Now next is IIT Dhanbad. Its NRF ranking is 12. So IIT Dhanbad 2015 में IIT बना, पहले ये IISM धनबाद था and after that IISM Dhanbad is converted into IIT Dhanbad. So the number of students appeared for the placement काफी high मिलेंगे क्योंकि ये पुराना कॉलेज है। Now talking about placement record of each branch, for chemical 58% students appeared for the placement, were got placed, and for civil, electrical, EC, AME, mining, petroleum and CSE is 51%, 75%, 60%, 72.73%, 92%, 72% and 90%. And here is the highest package of each branches, like for CSE it is around 14 lakh, for mechanical 15 lakh, for mining 14 lakh, for petroleum 20 lakh, and for civil and electrical it is around 15 lakh. So their highest package is little less, but their overall average package is decent enough. It is around 15.5 lakh and a highest package is 14 lakh, which is grabbed by CSE and EC student. And also one thing I should clear about IIT Dhanbad is, though it has been started after 2015, but it is giving a strong fight and competition to the IITs of 2008, and it is growing very faster because it has well established infrastructure and campus, and also due to the reputation in the field of mining and petroleum, it is also growing very faster. Now moving ahead with one of the prestigious new IIT, that is IIT Indore, and it is growing at a very faster rate, and it has overcome even some older IITs like BHU, and its NRF ranking is telling all the truths that its NRF ranking is 10, and which is better than the some older IITs like BHU and Guwahati. I tried my best to get the placement record of IIT Indore, but I found very difficult because it was not mentioned anywhere on the internet or on any another source. Like उनके placement record कहीं पे mention ही नहीं था. So I mentioned all the packages here, but one thing I should clear from my source is that their average package is around 16 to 17 lakh. And for CSE, their average package is 18 to 9 lakh per annum, for electrical 13 lakh, and for mechanical 9 lakh per annum. Apart from that, there are also branches like civil, chemical in IIT Indore, but उनके placement अभी तक नहीं हुए हैं. And similar reason like IIT रोपड़ अगर placement हुए भी हैं तो एक दो batches के, so उनके placement record इतने आसानी से available नहीं है इंटरनेट पे. And whatever I found, I collected it and produced in front of you. Now talking about overall placement, like 90% of the students who appeared for the placement got placed, and overall package is also very high for the IIT Indore, and highest package is 15 lakh per annum. If I have to rank all the new IITs, then I will rank IIT Hyderabad at the top, and after that IIT Indore, and after that IIT Ropar. So I will rank IIT Indore at the second spot, and it is because of obvious reason. Their placement is very high, and also their placement in the non-core branch is more. Like in finance, data analyst, and in that part, like in commerce side, their placement is high due to its geography, because it is very near to IIM Indore and IIM Ahmedabad. So it is also one of the best new IITs and growing at faster rate. Its NRF ranking is also very good. It is 10, and its overall placement package and highest package is very good. एक चीज आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि highest package of all the new IITs के approximately same है, 40 to 50 lakh के around. It is because सारे new IITs में Microsoft जाती है, and 44 to 45 lakh के around वो package offer करती है, and वही इनका highest average package होता है. And also since all new IITs के average package almost similar है, so तुम्हें CSE कहीं भी मिल रही है, तुम लेके जा सकते हो अगर तुम मेहनती हो, तो you can get the highest package of that college, and which will be equal to the highest package of even best IITs like IIT Hyderabad. Next is IIT Mandi, and you can see here its NRF ranking is 31, and for the branch-wise placement, for civil 83.33% students were placed, for CSE 93% students were placed, and for electrical and mechanical 62 and 61% students got placed. Talking about overall placement of IIT Mandi, about 104 students have got placed, and it is approximately 82% of the students who appeared for the placement. And overall package is 13.5 lakh per annum, and highest package is 14 lakh per annum. अगर तुम्हें individual branch के placement record निकालने हैं, सो जो मैंने जनरल रूल IIT इंदौर या IIT भुवनेश्वर के केस में बताया था, वो तुम यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो। एंड बाय जनरल रूल अगर देखो तो सीएससी का यहाँ पे एवरेज पैकेज 16 लाख के अराउंड होगा, इलेक्ट्रिकल का ऑलमोस्ट 10 लाख के अराउंड, मैकेनिकल का 7 to 8 लाख एंड सिविल का भी 7 to 8 लाख के अराउंड होगा। So this is the average package according to the general rule which I have mentioned earlier। और ये जनरल रूल ऑल IITs में फिट बैठेगा, तुम कहीं भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो। एंड इवन ये रूल अगर चेक करना है तो जिस IITs के मैंने एवरेज पैकेज दे रखे हैं उससे वहां से तुम चेक कर सकते हो, क्रॉस वेरीफाई कि हाँ ये वहां पे भी फिट बैठ रहा है। एंड ऑल्सो एक चीज मैं बता दूं कि ये ओवरऑल पैकेज तुमने अभी तक देख रहे होगे कि न्यू IITs का काफी ज्यादा है, सबके 14, 15, 16 लाख 18 लाख के अराउंड है एंड ओल्डर IITs के 10, 12 लाख के अराउंड है। तो ओल्डर IITs तो खराब हो गई प्लेसमेंट के बेसिस पे, तो ऐसा नहीं है। इट इज बिकॉज जो न्यू IITs है उनमें सिर्फ अभी तक टॉप मोस्ट ब्रांचेस के ही प्लेसमेंट होते हैं, लाइक CSE, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड सम मैकेनिकल। बट ओल्डर IITs में देखो तो उनके भी प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड काउंट हुए हैं, लाइक बायो, मेटलर्जी, सिविल, केमिकल। सो इसके चलते उनका ओवरऑल प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड थोड़ा खराब हो जाता है। बट अगर सिर्फ उनके तुम टॉप मोस्ट ब्रांचेस लाइक CSE, इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैकेनिकल, मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटिंग इसी के प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड देखोगे तो उनका जो एवरेज पैकेज होगा वो approximately 20 to 25 के अराउंड होगा। Now moving ahead with IIT Gandhinagar, its NRF ranking is 24. Though its NRF ranking is good and better than IIT Ropar and some other new IITs, but इसके प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड उतने अच्छे नहीं है। Like for CSE branch, its average package is 12 to 13 lakh, for electrical 18 to 9 lakh and for mechanical 7 to 8 lakh per annum। सो तुम यहाँ से देख सकते हो कि जो CSE का एवरेज पैकेज है वो इलेक्ट्रिकल का एवरेज पैकेज है फॉर IIT रोपड़ एंड इंदौर। सो IIT रोपड़, इंदौर आर फार मोर बेटर देन द IIT Gandhinagar। And also talking about overall placement of IIT Gandhinagar, so 112 students got placement and it is approximately 80% of the students who appeared for the placement। And overall average package is 9 lakh per annum and still highest package is around 14 lakh per annum। So अगर तुम्हें IIT गांधीनगर जा रही है and you are the topper of the IIT गांधीनगर, then it will not matter कि तुम कौन से कॉलेज से बीटेक कर रहे हो, तुम्हें एवरेज तुम्हारे हाईएस्ट पैकेज सेम होंगे। Now the last is IIT जोधपुर and you can see here its NRF ranking is 53 and all the students who appeared for the placement in CSE branch were got placed and 84% of the students of electrical and 83% of the students from mechanical branch were got placed। Overall placement record is 89% and average package is 17 lakh per annum। So you can see here its overall average package is very high, so you can even consider IIT Jodhpur if you are getting the top branches like CSE and electrical, and you will not regret कि मेरे को अच्छे या older IITs नहीं मिला। If you will go there and do the hard work, you will get the highest package of 14 lakh per annum also।
That's all from my side। होप कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो एंड हेल्प करेगा इन मेकिंग अ बेटर चॉइस फॉर योर कॉलेज। And if you find this video useful, share as much as you can and subscribe the channel for more engineering related guidance। Thank you।